So adding your Namecheap domain onto Vercel actually is quite easy, but if you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. First of all, open up both your Vercel as well as your Namecheap dashboard, and then make sure to select the domain which you want to add onto Vercel. For me, this would be this one right here. So I'm going to simply click on Manage. By the way, you can find this tab under the normal dashboard right here. Then open up the management options for your domain and click on Advanced DNS. The DNS records are essentially being used to connect your domains onto different kind of services. So to now actually get all of our records right here, head back to Vercel and then select the project where you want to add your domain onto. For me, this would be this test123 project. So I'm then going to simply click on the domains button right here on the top right. Click on add domain and then simply paste in the domain which you have just now, which you have basically on Namecheap, and click on save. And now this is going to give us two different DNS records which we will basically have to add. So first of all, open up Namecheap, then delete all of the previous records which you have right here, if you have any, and then add a new one. So I think it is 1A record right here. Then the name, or also called host, is going to be an add, and the value is going to be this one. Make sure to just copy this from Vercel, as this is going to be slightly different from user to user. Under the TTL, make sure that this is just automatic, and then click on save. We will then have to repeat this process with CNAME. So I'm then going to add a record. I'm going to add the CNAME record. Let's actually copy the name / host as well. And let's also input the value. And now that we have both of these saved, we can head back to Vercel and we can refresh these. However, usually this takes a couple of minutes to hours to actually update. So in this case, as you can see, this still says invalid configuration, but usually after 20 to 30 minutes, this should actually be completely set up and you can then use your domain. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.